Okay, Susie was asking, what about the refine brush? Well, the refine brush is a brush where once you have a selection, so let's make smart selection. I'll go back to this little face. I'll select the face and the eyes. Once I have a selection, I'm supposed to see here that refine brush. I can't remember which version it was added to, but it's been kind of recent. And once you click on the refine brush, you'll see here different ways to look at your selection. Remember that red look when you do the edit selection? Well, it can give you a little bit of that same look. And from there, it's supposed to be meant to help you with edges. And so you can use the overlay. The look could be black, white. Sometimes you need more than one way to look at your selection to actually see that, oh, there are some extra pixels here or there, or based on what you are going to be using. And you have different tools here. You can feather some areas. You can add to the selection, although, you know, we used to do that here with the edit selection. You can select your brush size. And let's say I want to feather a little. Maybe I want to feather here. It's really not very great, I have to admit. Supposed to get something. I don't see very much. Well, here you have the feathering here. That's why. So based on this setting, you can see how the feathering where I brushed was applied. And you can smooth that edge. You can expand the border a little bit or contract a little bit that feathering. It's really a interesting toolbox, and you just have to play with it and get comfortable with exactly where it's going to have an effect. Lynn is asking if the refine brush works with all the selection tools. Well, as long as you have a selection, you should have that refine brush available. So I use that one. Let's test it. Let's make a rectangle or a circle selection. I still have that refine brush. So if I make a really odd shape, okay, I still have that refine brush. So it's always there, but to use it is not very obvious. At least the result is not as obvious as if you just add or remove a part of a selection. Does that answer enough, Susie? At least for that particular tool. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus!